Hi, Mom. Do I get a hi back? Hello?
Hey, Shane, again, start walking back.
Hi, Ben.
Okay.
Hi. What?
Do you have a beer?
I wish.
What, you're like 10 years old.
I am not. I'm 14.
You shouldn't be drinking beer because you're 18. 21 in
Still
Hawaii.
18?
21 in Hawaii.
There's no place I know around here that will serve beer at 18.
Nobody.
No.
It used to be 18.
In Kansas.
Used to be 18 here.